This is windowpartcenter.com, and today we're going to show you handing and how to install the Expressions handle set C2001. This is a left hand and it has a capital LH in red lettering, and then the right hand is in black lettering and it has a capital RH for right hand. Now we do have these shown and labeled with handing on our website, but another way you can determine, if you take off the cover, you will see on the back there is a capital R stamped on it for a right hand. So this is a right hand cover. And so this is a right-handed operator. And so the handle faces up. That is how it installs. If you have the handle facing down, that's upside down and it won't snap on. So make sure it's facing up, and then it snaps onto the operator housing. For the handle, it is a folding handle, which is really nice, so it goes out of the way if you have blinds or anything. But it does have a set screw, so you want to unscrew that set screw. Try not to unscrew it all the way like I did. Make sure it's in there just a little bit so it's easier to tighten down. And when you go to install this, you want to make sure that your window is closed and in the lock position, and then install your handle. And this will make it so you can put the handle the correct way, so once you crank your window all the way closed, the lever will nest nicely. So just check it for nesting, and then you want to tighten down the set screw. And then it's installed. So we're going to show this for a left-handed operator as well. So this is the left hand. It has the LH on the package. And then when we remove it, if you look on the back side, there is a capital letter L that is stamped on it, and that is for left-hand operation, shown here. And so again, you want to make sure that the handle is facing up, so it installs on a left-handed operator, and it snaps on the same way. And then again, it has that set screw, which you will want to unscrew, and try not to unscrew it all the way. And then you can install it onto the spline of your operator housing. And again, you want your window shut and locked, so you can check to make sure when you install the handle it can nest. And then you can tighten down your set screw like so. If your Ashland's operator have this post, the Expressions handle set will not fit on it, because where that nesting handle indent is, it hits that post. So if you have an older operator, you most likely don't have that post, but if you need to replace your operator, we offer it with the post, or you can order it without the post and we actually shave it off for you before we ship it out. So that is always an option, or you can shave it off yourself. If you have the post, there's the Evolution S1043. It has been manufactured to take the post. We have it in a few colors, and you can see when I flip this over, it has that little U shape. So just a note on handing, this is Ashland's tech sheet, so you can see the different ways these operators can be installed on a window. All of these are showing a left-handed operation. That is how we ID what is a left hand and what is a right hand, is by what the manufacturer deems a left hand and a right hand. And so they do have them stamped for you to help ID them as well. But on our website, we have a picture showing left hand and right hand, and we also have a marked left hand as right hand. The best thing to do is to look at our pictures and compare them to your operator or to your cover and handle and match them up that way. And all of these operators and handle sets are available to order on our website, windowpartcenter.com. And lastly, just a note about the Ashland operators, is some of the newer styles have this post, older styles do not. So just remember to look for that. And then also, depending on the vintage when your operator was manufactured, the housing can be in different colors. So we do have like a gray version, there was a white version. These are the exact same operator. They were just manufactured in different years, so they made the color of the housing a little bit different. This is the current one that they're manufacturing. It's more of this beige color is their housing. But again, all of these are the same split arm operator, showing the two different handings. Sometimes this gasket I've seen also be a gray color or a black color. So that just depends on when they were manufactured. Thank you so much.